Hello YouTube, hello you lovely people, welcome back to Raj RideStories. This is Raj, your host. I hope you're doing absolutely great. We are here at the outdoors. It's a very calm place, very peaceful place. I thought this is going to be a good place for me to make a video. I am continuing here with the previous video which I made on the Rhinox tank bag, the navigator tank bag. Probably you can watch out that video which might give you some insights in terms of how the bag really is in terms of quality, in terms of the reliability, the pros and cons, everything I've discussed in that video. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to talk about the long-term ownership review of the GIVI top box which I've been using on my 390 Adventure for last 2.5 years, and I have taken it for probably all my bigger rides and even in fact onto the trails as well. The reason why I am making this video is to share with you about the pros and cons of this top bag, be it on highways, city or on the trails. And should you really go for this product? Well, I think we'll just come to that point in the end of the video. So this top box I have bought it from Bike and Biker, who is the official dealer for the GIVI products in India. So I bought it in 2020, somewhere like October, and since then I've been using this this top box, and it has been very helpful. It helps me in carrying out a lot of stuff. Especially when I'm going for the longer rides, this makes my life more easier because this comes with a monolock and monolock system, and it's very easy to mount it, unmount it, carry, and just take it off. So that way it has been a very user friendly product for me. So this is the GIVI Antarctica 42 model, and this is of 42 liters capacity. When I bought it, this was around like 13,500 rupees or something. So this comes with the top box and the plate as well, which goes beneath it. And when I bought it that time, I was using the motor end top rack, and that's a universal top rack, but I have removed it. So right now I am having the GIVI top rack only. The reason why I have removed the motor end one is because when I was installing the GIVI panniers, so these saddle stays are not accommodating, not getting accommodated with that top rack. So GIVI top rack, plate and the top box. There are questions like how is the stability on the highways when you are going at higher speeds? Is it really causing the fishtail, etc.? Well, look, I personally have not felt anything like that. There have been very rare occasions where I felt the rear tire is behaving and giving me some uncomfortness, like especially when I was going to the Ladakh ride, when we were riding some villages. There was a lot of slush and all. That time when you're really throttling up and the rear section is kind of doing a fishtail, that's a very rare case. But on the highways I never felt any uncomfortness, be it like 140s or 150s when I'm riding, and even when there is the crosswinds also. So I never felt inconvenience while riding with this top box on. In fact, I have loaded this. You're someone who do not have too many gadgets and all, and if in case you want to go for 2 days or 3 days of a ride, I think you can keep all your stuff inside this. This can accommodate that, and 7 to 8 kgs also you can load up, and you can still expect a very stability ride. So some of the pros I can talk about is one, the ease of use. As I said, mounting is very easy, unmounting is very easy. You get a grip just beneath your box where you can open, so you will be able to grip it and carry it easily. So that's not a problem at all, and it is good looking one. So this gives a very good look to the entire bike. As you can see, quality of the product is top notch, I would say. When I purchased this newly, and I went to Hyderabad, and so when I actually unlocked this, and I just left it on the top rack, and since I was trying to remove few things from the front end, and because of the instability, the box just fell off onto the ground, and with that weight and all from this height, right, I mean, even though it fell down, I think there's nothing happened to the product. So I think that shows, that gives a testimony to the quality of the product what we have from GIVI. One thing as a caution I would like to tell you folks here is that when you're locking the box, be very careful, you know, don't just lock it, don't try to lock it, okay. Make sure that, you know, whatever stuff you're keeping inside properly arranged, so that, you know, it doesn't blocking your locking system inside. Once it happened with me in Ladakh, where I tried to, you know, put a lot of stuff, and by end of the day, we take out a lot of stuff, you know, we put a lot of stuff inside, and when you're doing that big rides, you are kind of in a hurry. So what happened is, you know, I did not properly arrange it, you know, and since I was in a hurry, I just, you know, locked it. When the box locks up very easily, you understand that, you know, it locked very properly, and when you're trying to open up, it just opens up very easily, so there's no going to be any hassle over there. But what I did is I just, you know, tried to stuff it off, and later I found it very difficult to open that one. So after a lot of struggle, you know, I managed to open, and when I see that, you know, there is a cloth which just came in that locking system, and that blocked it, so that, you know, the box did not properly got locked. So make sure that, you know, you're not doing that mistake. Talking about the cons of the top box, well, like there are not many, I would say, but I think one downside what I felt is like when you are not keeping your clothes in any bag, or, you know, not properly packing it up in anything, just loosely keeping all your stuff inside, this is going to play all around your box inside, you know, it's going to really get messed up, okay. So that's something which you need to keep in mind. So whenever you want to keep anything inside, make sure that, you know, you're keeping in some bag, or properly packing it up and then putting up inside. Otherwise, everything will just go messy. You do get a bag which the bike and biker people will tell, so that will cost you like 1500 or 2000. I'm not really sure what exactly the price is now. Maybe you can just check out with them, and they can help you out on that. But I thought, you know, I'm fine with this, so don't really need to go for that bag. And another downside what I've found, this design. Look at inside, your curvy angle of the locking system costing you that space, because, you know, if they have not given that curvy design, I think probably that space could have been utilized much better. But I'm not really sure, you know, how the maybe the engineers, when they were thinking about these designs, you know, they have something else in mind which I couldn't really recall. So from their perspective, they might be right, but, you know, from the user's perspective, this is what I can think of. I may be right, I may be wrong. So that's it, folks, what I have in today's video about the GIVI top box, the GIVI Antarctica 42 top box, its pros and cons, what I tried to discuss in this video, and shared as much details as possible what I can think of. If in case you think I missed out something, put in the comment section, so that it will be helpful for others who are, you know, landing up on this video and going through the comments. And thank you very much for watching out this video. I will try to make such more videos. Do let me know if in case you have anything in mind for which you want me to, you know, make a video on that one. I would be really happy to take that up. And yeah, that's all what I have wanted to share, and there's nothing much. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section. You can also connect with me on my Instagram handle. My Instagram handle is here. And if in case you're not yet subscribed to the channel, I would request you to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification button. If in case you like my content, please do share it with your friends, family members, and your lovable ones, so that, you know, our content reaches more people. Thank you very much. I'm going to end this video here. Live life, keep traveling, follow your passions. Signing off, Raj. I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Jai Hind. Love you all.